Welcome back to Gonzo Builds. In this video I'm going to recycle this piece of Silky Oak from an old wardrobe into some fresh Simpsons coasters for a Christmas present. First things first, I needed to make some clear designs that are going to cut very easily on the CNC so that I can paint the inlay afterwards. I don't recommend using beer, cheese and crackers to try and run your CNC. A laptop is a much smarter option. This is the real-time carving speed for my Workbee. I like it, but it's nothing compared to the speed of a commercial machine. You'll notice that a few of these designs didn't make it into the final cut. That's because I had to give them away as Christmas presents before I finished the video. Some of the boards were a little bit warped, so I used a chisel to adjust the height very slightly to ensure that the cut depth was accurate.
I'm Mike Wallace, I'm Wally Shaper, and I'm Ed Bradley. All this and Andy Rooney tonight at 60 minutes.
Nothing special was used here, just a cheap black acrylic paint to fill these inlays. It's always satisfying to sand off that old layer of lacquer and varnish and see what's revealed underneath.
You're here, aren't you?
Yes, boy. I never left you.
Next, I trimmed them on the miter saw to the desired size. And now for the most satisfying part, which is always the finishing of any project, putting on that lacquer, varnish, sealant, oil, whatever you want to use, and seeing the grain really pop from that wood. I ended up doing 3 or 4 layers of a polyurethane satin varnish.
Homer, stop picking at it.
Oh, but I'm so sweet and tasty.
Silky Oak was prized furniture making timber in Australia for a period of time, and with characteristic grain like this, you can see why. And here's the finished product. This was the featured timber for a wardrobe about 60 or 70 years ago, meaning it was top quality, and now it was going to get thrown in the rubbish or painted and ruined. Instead, we've got brand new coasters from top grade wood. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, remember to subscribe and like, it really makes a difference. See you in the next video.